In today's video, I want to teach you a 5-minute scalping strategy which is built based on the most accurate indicators on TradingView, and it generates perfect buy-sell signals. Just make sure you watch this video until the end so you won't miss any important points. Alright, as I said, this is a 5-minute scalping strategy. So here we set the chart time frame on 5 minutes. This is the price chart of euro to US dollar, but no limitation on this, and you can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's forex, crypto, or stocks. The only requirement in terms of the asset or market is trading volume and liquidity, because this is a scalping strategy and the profit and loss that we're going to take are very small in terms of price movement, so we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. In this strategy we have 3 indicators. For adding them, here we click on indicators and we simply search their name. The first one that we want to add is a very powerful indicator which is built based on machine learning algorithm. This one, machine learning Lorentzian classification, which is an editor's picks indicator, and it's written by someone named J.D. Horty. Alright, as I said, this indicator is built based on machine learning algorithm. In case if you don't know what machine learning is, it's a branch of artificial intelligence which focuses on using statistical techniques to intimate the way that humans learn, so the system learns from available data and gradually improves its accuracy. And this indicator uses a special algorithm which is called Lorentzian distance classifier, alongside with another algorithm named approximate nearest neighbors, which are proved to be useful in predicting the direction of future price movements. We will use this indicator with its default settings, and we just remove the labels here in the settings in the style tab here by removing labels, because in this strategy we don't need them and we just need these buy sell signals. The next indicator that we want to add is relative trend index, this one, which is written by someone named Zahirman, if I'm pronouncing his name correctly. This is a very powerful indicator and it's going to help us to discover strong trends in the market. And the last indicator that we want to add is TTM squeeze. We add this one, which is written by someone named Greeny, and we're going to use this indicator for evaluating momentum. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and before we start the strategy, let me introduce the sponsor of this video, which is OKX. OKX is one of the top crypto exchanges in the world that provides different tools and markets for crypto trading, and by providing an excellent trading platform with all the required tools and different types of orders, it helps you to easily trade crypto assets. At the time of recording this video, OKX is ranked at the 2nd place, just below the Binance in derivatives market, and with its great amount of trading volume, you have the required liquidity to execute your long and short position strategies in futures market. It offers very good trading fees, and I got 30% discount on trading fees for you, which makes it even lower than Binance. You just need to register with the link that I placed in the description of this video. And one of the great points about OKX is that it's already integrated in TradingView, which means you can connect your OKX to TradingView and trade here from TradingView with all your favorite tools and indicators. The link to integration guide is placed below in the description, and just make sure you register with the link that I placed in the description so you can enjoy 30% off on your trading fees. Alright, getting back to our scalping strategy, let me explain how you can open positions with this trading setup. As you can see, this machine learning indicator is providing us buy sell signals, but we need to filter the false signals, and for this purpose we use these 2 indicators. When we have a buy signal, relative trend index RTI should be above 80 and green, and at the same time here in TTM squeeze indicator we must have green dot, which telling us that the market is not in a squeeze mode, and we must have the histogram above 0, which tells us that we have upside momentum, and this is not the case here because the histogram is not above 0 yet, so this buy signal is rejected. And when we have a sell signal, RTI should be below 20 and red, and in TTM squeeze the dot should be green and the histogram should be below 0. You can see that we don't have these conditions, so this sell signal is also rejected. Here for this buy signal, RTI is above 80 and green, and we have green dot here in TTM squeeze, and the histogram is above 0. So this buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low, and the profit order for this trade is set at the level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 1.5. Moving on the chart here, we have a sell signal but RTI not below 20, and for this buy signal RTI is above 80, and in TTM squeeze the dot is green and the histogram is also above 0. So this buy signal is confirmed and we can enter another long position here as this new candle is opened, and this trade is also a profitable trade as you can see. Moving on the chart, we don't have any signal around here up to this point where we have a sell signal which is not confirmed by RTI, and then here we have a buy signal, and for this buy signal, since RTI is above 80 and in TTM squeeze the dot is green and the histogram is also above 0, so this buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened, and this trade is also a successful trade as you can see. Moving on the chart here, we got a sell signal but not confirmed by RTI and TTM squeeze, so we don't enter any short position here at this point. After that we got a buy signal here which is not confirmed. Here we got a sell signal not confirmed. After that this buy signal is not confirmed, and here we got sell signal and this sell signal is also not confirmed. You can clearly see that we are in a tightening consolidation period here, and our strategy is perfectly rejecting these signals. Always remember, a good strategy is a strategy that is able to filter the false signals during range market. These signals are not confirmed up to this point where we have these two buy signals, and they are a confirmed signal. You can see that for both of them RTI is above 80 and green, and for TTM squeeze the dot is green and the histogram is also above 0. So in practice we would enter a long position here at this point, or another opportunity here if the first one was missed, and both of these buy signals would be profitable trade. Please pay attention that the sell signal in between is not confirmed. Alright, moving on the chart here, we have a sell signal which is not confirmed, and for this buy signal it's also not confirmed because the histogram is not above 0. This sell signal here is not confirmed, and you can see that the market from here again went to a trading range, and during this range market you can see that this buy signal is not confirmed, the sell signal is not confirmed. Here we got a buy signal which is not confirmed, sell signal here which is not confirmed because the histogram is above 0, this buy signal here not confirmed, the sell signal not confirmed. You can clearly see that none of these false signals were confirmed by our strategy. You can see that our strategy is very powerful to filter nearly all of the false signals during the range market or trends, but please pay attention that this is not always the case, like here where we have a confirmed sell signal where RTI is below 20 and in TTM squeeze the dot is green and the histogram is below 0. So in practice, based on this signal, we would enter a short position here, but the downside movement of the price is not enough to hit our target of 1.5 risk to reward ratio, because our stop loss would be placed here above the previous swing high, and this trade would finally end up in loss. So you must pay attention to this important point, that this trading strategy doesn't generate 100% guaranteed signals, and losing trades are part of the game and you need to manage the risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without a proper risk management strategy you won't be able to run this 5-minute scalping strategy successfully in practice. Not only for this strategy but for any other trading strategies that you want to use, you need to manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.